Hey everybody, it is Mike Biddle. I am back today with another Tyco US1 trucking video. This one's going to be more on the side of maintenance cleaning versus restoration cleaning. This track's already been restored and working, but as you can see, it gets grimy pretty quickly. And I'm going to show you a couple of tricks here that people don't do that work for me. And this technique is as is. So, you know, do it at your own risk. It works great for my situation. But you can see in the track, there's a lot of those black lines. And I see these listed on YouTube a lot of times with the disclosure on that. But what's funny is you can actually clean this out pretty easily. What I do is I use the degreaser. In this case, this Totally Awesome. It's LA's Totally Awesome. And I mix it 50-50 with some water in a spray bottle. I'm just going to spray it on the piece of track. I'm going to let that piece set, and then I'm going to get another piece and spray it. Now if you have to, you can also sand these as well if they need it, but in my case I don't really need to. Now this is a cool trick here too that I learned. Just use an old toothbrush and scrub it really good. Get down in there in the rails. Get those bristles in the rails as well. This one's definitely particularly dirty, but you'll see the grime begin to break up. You go to your second piece. If you want to sand it before you do this, you can, if necessary. Just use a really fine grit like a drywall or 220. It's what's been recommended to me. Hit your contacts here on the ends too. Just make sure you don't break any of the tabs when you do that. All right, so after you've gotten that scrubbed down really good, just take an old towel and wipe it down. I'm going to show you an extra step here people don't usually do. Look at that. It's all the black streaks are gone. Take a paper towel, and as you can see, I've already done this on some of the other pieces, and you can see the grime it gets out. Just kind of fold it a little bit to get a pattern like that. Stick it in the end of the slot here. Press firmly down with your hand underneath the track, and then it'll get more grime out. Look at that. All right, well, if this video was helpful, I'd appreciate a like. It'll also help other people find the video. Check out our website, tycous1trucking.com. There's all kinds of video tutorials on there, and it shows you how to get your track back up and running. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.